What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you like. And today we'll be getting into my skincare routine because you guys have been noticing a difference in my skin. If you've been here for a while, you know I had a lot of like acne and breakouts on my forehead, and it was due to more so like health internal issues than me not putting in the work in my skincare routine. And also like adult acne is a bit. So that was happening, and now we're here and we got, clear skin again. So pretty much I want to let you guys know that because your skin is like an alarm. If there is something going on internally, it's going to let you know that, hey, something's not right here. So always listen to that and, go to the doctor, get your blood work done, see if everything is good internally first, and then if it is, then you can maybe go to a dermatologist or just do what I do and try different skincare products and see what works best for you. So I have a bunch of skincare routines on my channel. This is like my fourth or fifth one maybe. So I'll leave all the rest of the skincare routines in the description box below if you guys want to check those out as well. But yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. So I'm going to show you guys what I typically have been reaching for lately. I have a lot of skincare because I'm just obsessed. I'm an esthetician, I just love skincare and beauty products. So I have a lot of things, So I'll show other products that I like to use as well, like interchangeably at the end of the video. But to start, I have really been enjoying the Urban Skin RX Even Tone Cleansing Bar. It's another one of my OGs from back in the day. And I like how they changed the pad. It's way more softer than the one they used to have, so I like that little change. But I usually focus this on my problem areas, which are my forehead, nose, and chin. Then I just rinse my face and wipe off any excess. And next, I like to go in with my serum. I don't go in with a exfoliator because that product actually does, a more chemical exfoliant. So I don't want to do too much exfoliating. But yeah, so I'll go in with my vitamin C serum from Glow Recipe that I have been using for a little minute now. And it is just everything. I love including vitamin C into my routine because it has so many benefits for the skin, like making you appear more youthful, fine lines, smoothing out fine lines, the buoyancy of your skin, brightening your skin, of course. It's just that girl. I follow up with the Urban Skin RX Glowing Moisturizer, and I freaking love how my skin looks after using this. It doesn't have any glitter or sparkles or anything like that to make it glow. It's only the moisturizer, which I love. And of course, I go in with my sunscreen because we need to keep our skin looking youthful. That is like my whole motto. And for my melanated girls, this is a great sunscreen to use. You don't be looking all ashy or nothing. Plus, it has SPF 50 in it. So, yeah, get into it. This is how my skin is looking now. Super glowy, clear, and just overall healthy looking after my skincare routine. And of course, I have to add the gloss because she's an addict or whatever. So now let's get into the other products I like to reach for interchangeably. So when I need to remove my makeup, I use this. I actually like the green one. That's my favorite. But this one is good too. It does what it needs to do. I also like the SUPERC serum from Urban Skin. If I feel like I need my skin to be resurfaced and more bright, then I go in with this. And if I use that, then I'll use the GLOSSIER Cleanser Concentrate because this one is more gentle and it's not going to exfoliate my skin like the Urban Skin RX Cleansing Bar. Also, if I haven't really had like a lot of sleep, then I'll go in with the Peace Out Under Eyes. I use this once a week to just give my eyes some life again. And then lastly, I love the eye cream from HENRIKSEN because I refuse, honey, like I refuse to have crow's feet. But yeah, that is it. All products will be listed in the description box below. So make sure you all are heading to the description box to check out anything that you might have seen that you want to try. Also, make sure you're following me on Instagram at naturally.sunny. Subscribe to the channel and be a part of the gang, girl. Also, like, comment, and share. And I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.